Thera-Gesic Cream is used to relieve minor aches and pains in the muscles and joints, such as those caused by arthritis, backache, and sprains. It contains menthol and methyl salicylate, which are known as counterirritants. These ingredients work by creating a cooling and warming sensation on the skin, which can help distract you from the deeper aches and pains in your muscles, joints, and tendons. It's important to note that this cream should not be used on children younger than 12 years old without a doctor's advice. If you plan to use it on children between 2 and 12 years old, make sure to carefully check the label first. And remember, it should never be used on children younger than 2 years old. When using Thera-Gesic Cream, always follow the recommended dosage and apply it at the optimal time for best results. Make sure to follow all the directions on the product package, and if you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist. This medication is for use on the skin only, so be careful not to apply it near the eyes, mouth, nose, or genitals. If you accidentally get the medication in those areas, be sure to flush with plenty of water. If you're using the lotion, spray, or foam, make sure to shake the bottle well before using. You can apply a thin layer of the medication to the affected area no more than 3 to 4 times a day. Gently and thoroughly rub it in. Remember to wash your hands after applying, unless you're using it to treat the hands. If you are treating the hands, wait at least 30 minutes after applying the medication to wash your hands. Do not apply this medication to skin that is injured or irritated, and do not bandage or tightly wrap the affected area. It's important to know that heat can increase the risk of side effects, so avoid applying the medication immediately before, during, or after activities that increase skin temperature, such as bathing in hot water, swimming, sunbathing, or heavy exercise. Also, do not use a sunlamp/tanning bed, hot water bottle, or heating pad on the treated area. This product is available in different strengths and with different ingredients, so make sure to read the label carefully to ensure you have the right product. And if your condition lasts for more than 7 days, gets worse, or keeps returning, be sure to tell your doctor. If you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. If you experience redness, warmth, stinging, or burning at the application site, it is important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. However, many people using Thera-Gesic Cream do not experience serious side effects. If you notice blistering, swelling, severe redness, increased pain, nausea, vomiting, ringing in the ears, or any signs of a serious allergic reaction such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, stop using the cream and seek medical attention immediately. It is important to remember that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, make sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist for advice. And as always, if you are in the US, you may report any side effects to the FDA, and in Canada, you can report them to Health Canada. Before using Thera-Gesic Cream, make sure to check with your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to menthol, methyl salicylate, aspirin, or other salicylates. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions, so it's important to talk to your pharmacist for more details. If you have asthma, nasal polyps, or are planning to have surgery, consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. Thera-Gesic Cream contains a salicylate similar to aspirin, so it's important to note that children and teenagers younger than 18 years should not use this product if they have certain illnesses or have recently received a vaccine. This is because using aspirin-like products in these cases increases the risk of Reye syndrome, which is a rare but serious illness. If you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, it's important to discuss with your doctor about the potential harm this medication may cause to an unborn baby and its impact on labor and delivery. It is not recommended for use in pregnancy from 20 weeks until delivery, and if your doctor determines that you need to use this medication between 20 and 30 weeks of pregnancy, you should use the lowest effective dose for the shortest possible time. It is also important to not use this medication after 30 weeks of pregnancy and to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. Lastly, it is not known if this product passes into breast milk, so it's important to consult your doctor before using this product if you are breastfeeding. When using Thera-Gesic Cream, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions can affect how the cream works or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products. Be sure to share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. Also, do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without first consulting your doctor. Always follow their guidance to ensure the safe and effective use of Thera-Gesic Cream. If Thera-Gesic Cream is swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone overdoses and experiences severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can contact their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. It is crucial to take the necessary steps to address any potential overdose situation. Make sure to keep all your medical appointments and follow up with your doctor as scheduled. This will help ensure that you are getting the most benefit from using Thera-Gesic Cream and that any potential side effects are being monitored closely. If you forget to apply Thera-Gesic Cream at the scheduled time, apply it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next application, just skip the missed one and continue with your regular schedule. Do not apply a double dose to make up for the missed one. When using Thera-Gesic Cream, it's important to store it according to the instructions on the product package or ask your pharmacist for guidance. Make sure to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When you no longer need the product or it has expired, it's important to dispose of it properly. Consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this in a safe and environmentally friendly manner. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.